Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this mushroom vegetarian pasta dish. Let's go to the recipe. I'm boiling the pasta here. I'm taking so I'm going to time it. It's supposed to be 8 minutes. Switch on the other stove over here. I'm going to pour in some olive oil, about 4 teaspoons. This is chopped onion, about 3/4 of an onion. So I'm sauteing this. I have some pepper. I'm going to put some pepper and some pieces of canned mushroom. So I've already set the time for 8 minutes for the pasta over here. Now I want this to be dice the onion small slices. You may use shallot, but I'm using yellow onion. I'm going to grate 2 garlic. So 2 garlic is equivalent to 4 garlic. So make sure the heat is not high. Saute in a low heat. Pasta is still boiling. I'm going to put in 1 chopped chili. This is optional. Another 3 more minutes. So now I'm going to put this mushroom. I had the canned mushroom with the stem on. It's about half a cup. Just going to use the pasta water. I don't want it to get dried up. So add to your consistency. I just want the flavor of the mushroom to be on the sauce here. Oh, I forgot to put the pepper. This is about 1 teaspoon. I like to break some of it, not all. Just have the flavor. Okay. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, I'm going to put in some flour. Okay, before I put the flour, I'm going to put some pepper. Put in the flour. Some of the pasta butter. So it all depend on you how the consistency you want. So just work with the flour and the water and the butter. I like it to add this way. You might want to reduce the olive oil, increase the butter, or you want to increase the olive oil and the butter. I like it to be this way, so I have more gravy. Don't be so dry. So I don't want it to be thick. So yeah, a little bit more. So since I'm using the canned mushroom, so the flavoring won't be so much, right? I'm going to put in vegetarian mushroom sauce. This is to enhance the flavor, and the salt I will see how it is, about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add in some more of the water. So the salt is just nice, so I'm not going to add in any salt. So always add the salt last after tasting your sauce. Now I'm going to add in some parsley, handful to your choice, and I'll use some of it for garnishing. I'm going to add in about half a teaspoon of lime juice. I'll add a bit more of the lime juice. A little bit more. So it's like more like 3/4 teaspoon. So my pasta is done, so I'm going to use this and I'm going to plate it. Try, share with your friends, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.